How to create an exciting effects line manga influenced design in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Go to the gradient tool, then go up to the top, select classic gradient. Then go here, click, and with that you can change the type to noise. Then set the roughness to 100% and then click OK. Then go along here and select the third option, angle. Go to the center of the document and click and drag and release. Then go to the image menu and down to adjustments and then threshold. And then just change the setting. And you can move it back and forth to create all kinds of effects lines. Click OK. Hope you're finding this tutorial of interest. Any questions, any thoughts, please put in the comments below. Also, a like or dislike, always appreciated. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Many Photoshop videos added each and every day. If you wanted it to be live, instead go to Layer and down to New Adjustment Layer and then down to Threshold. This will create a layer that you can modify at any point. Click OK and then modify the threshold again, and you can see you can create a variety of effects lines in Photoshop very quickly. And close. You can see now you've got two layers. You've got the threshold as well as the original gradient image. This design can be then exported or saved as a PSD document and used in future.